a very special guest of ours. He is my sous chef and also my brother, Amegala.
Hi, I'm Mama and today we are baking cookies.
That's right. See? Hey, there's a label on it. It says, slice it, bake it, love it. Chocorito. Wow, I guess that's the name of the company. We're gonna be...
Excited.
Okay, so here is the delicious dough. Yes, I am excited. Okay, now I'm just gonna open the plastic wrapping. Here it is. And thank you, Ame, but I already have one. Okay, we've got to cut it out. Please. Yes. This? Will this do? I don't think so, right? Oh. But yeah, I just...
And Mama, I have cut some smaller pieces.
See?
So, Bhaiya, we can put it in the tray now, okay?
Okay.
Then we put it in the oven. Then we put it in the freezer. And to become cold and hot, and then we'll eat it.
Actually, wait. Can I break this in two? Oh, but Mama, don't you think that these slices are a little too big? And maybe the cookies might end up turning this way.
Actually, the cookies are not turning this way.
Okay, Ame. See, do you want to help me count how many pieces of dough there are? That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's 10 pieces of dough.
Yeah, so we can make 10 cookies. High five.
Voila! The cookies are ready.
Yum, they look so delicious. Ame, don't do it like that.
Yummy.
It's burning on the tray. Oh my god. So, as you can see, the cookies are made. And in the time being, I made an origami Yoda. His name isn't Origami Yoda, but I made him a chef version of Origami Yoda, so that's why I call him Cookigami Yoda. Bye! I hope you had fun watching me bake my cookies, and I think you should get something to bake too, and maybe you can make a YouTube channel of your own and post it online. See you. I hope you had fun watching us.
Yeah, hope you have fun watching us. Bye.
And Ame will be in more videos, right? So you've got to remember him. Whoever watches my channel. That.